to get started, first thing we're going to need are some rocks. You're also going to need a wide variety of wire. Another thing that I use is a jig. It's a wire jig, and basically these little, there's several little push pins that you can push into these holes, and then you can make a design with your wire before you place it on your rock. The first thing that I do to get started is I pick what rock I want to use. I then decide which wire I want to use. I decide whether I'm going to make a charm, or maybe I want to make something along these lines where it has loops on each side. Then you just put a jump ring, one of those little O-rings, you know, in between them, and you can make a necklace. Or, you know, I might decide that I want to make a ring. We're going to use just this little green rock, and we're just going to wrap it as if it's going to be a charm. So we're going to make a little charm out of this rock. You're going to need some wire wrapping tools. These are like needle nose pliers, but they have a complete round tip. So you might notice the round tip. They're very handy for making little curlies. I also have another pair, and it's just a little bit smaller of a round tip. It also grips a little bit better. You want to have some clippers to clip your wire with. I like to have something flat in case I need to squish something together. I'm gonna use my small pliers, and the first thing I'm gonna do, just to kind of finish off this raw end, I'm gonna make a little curl in it just so it connects to itself. Just bend it kind of with my nails a little bit to make sure that it's totally connected. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. And now the next thing I'm going to do is start to kind of curl the wire around itself. So let me give my camera a second to focus. Then you want to take, and you just kind of want to turn it, and you know, think of the size of the rock that you're using. Okay, so you can see that the rock is right there. I'm just going to take and wrap the wire around the rock, and I know you can't see very well what I'm doing. See, I'm just taking and wrapping the wire around the rock, okay? And I'm wrapping it around the perimeter of the rock. So on one side, on this side right here, I'm going to make sure that some of the rock is showing through the wire, and then I'm going to make sure on the other side, right here, is wrapping around the other side. So this is kind of what it looks like when you've done your, and then you've got it wrapped to where it's holding on the other side as well. So the next step is going to be to make your loop. So you're going to take your, okay, so as you can see here, I have it wrapped around one side. It's wrapped around the other side, and now what I'm going to do is make my loop for it to hang with. So all I did was take and twist. Alright, so as you can see, I have the loop, and then I have both sides wrapped. The very last step is just to cut off the remainder of my wire, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a loop at the end of it, just like I did at the beginning of the wire, and just kind of push it into the rock design. Okay, so we're just going to take and using my pliers here, and I get my camera to focus on my rock instead of on me. I mean, usually I'm like, yeah, it's all about me, but this time I kind of want it to be all about the rock. So, alright, here we go. We're going to cut it. There it goes. And then we're going to take the round needle nose pliers, take this little part right here, and twist it up so it's not sticking out. Okay. So I'm just going to take these right here. I'm going to go twist, twist, twist. And after I twist it, I'm just going to push that little piece into place. And into place is really just wherever it goes. So, you know, I like to just kind of take them and there you have it. You have your wrapped rock. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. Hit that little bell if you'd like to be reminded about the future videos. And if you liked my video, hey, give me a thumbs up. Then I know if you liked it. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. I want to know what you guys like. And as always, this is interactive. So send me an email, send me a comment, send me a picture of maybe your wrapped rock creation. There is a bug. It's a little tiny bug that's flying all over the place. Anyway, send me a picture of your creation. I want to see what you make. And, you know, maybe you're into wrapping rocks also, and you have some fantastic ideas that, you know, you'd like to share. So, you know, send them to me. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and please make sure that your day is 100% positive.